Hello and welcome to Pod English, Lesson 2. Today's lesson is all about your daily routine, but we're going to do it in a more natural and smarter way. Not just I wake up, I eat, I sleep, but full, flowing English sentences, just like native speakers. Let's begin. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is check my phone or turn off the alarm. Then, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I take a quick shower to freshen up. Once I'm ready, I get dressed for the day. I usually wear comfortable clothes if I'm staying home. If I'm going out, I dress more formally. Now let's talk about breakfast. Repeat. For breakfast, I usually have a cup of tea and some toast. Sometimes I eat fruit or eggs, depending on the time. While eating, I like to watch something on YouTube or listen to music. After breakfast, I start my work or study. I try to stay focused and avoid checking my phone too much. Let's talk about afternoons. Repeat. In the afternoon, I usually take a short break. I might have lunch with my family or just grab something quick. After lunch, I continue working or learning. If I'm free, I sometimes go for a walk or relax for a while. Evenings are different. Let's go. In the evening, I like to spend time with my family. We talk, watch TV, or have dinner together. Sometimes I study English or read a book before bed. I usually go to sleep by 10:30 or 11. Now, let's try a small natural conversation. Listen first. Hey. What's your daily routine like? Well, I usually wake up early, around 6:30. Do you eat breakfast at home? Yes, I do. I like having tea and something light. And what do you do during the day? Mostly work and study. If I get time, I go out for a walk. That's nice. Do you go to bed early? Not always, but I try to sleep before 11. Now repeat after me, this time, sentence by sentence. Hey. What's your daily routine like? Well, I usually wake up early, around 6:30. Do you eat breakfast at home? Yes, I do. I like having tea and something light. And what do you do during the day? Mostly work and study. If I get time, I go out for a walk. That's nice. Do you go to bed early? Not always, but I try to sleep before 11. Great! You're learning how to speak clearly, naturally, and confidently. Now here's your small homework. 1. Speak about your full day in 5 to 7 sentences. 2. Try to use words like usually, sometimes, after that, then, and finally. Point 3. Practice in front of the mirror and smile while speaking. You're not just learning English. You're learning how to express yourself. And that is the real power of communication. This was Pod English, Lesson 2. Lesson 3 is going to be even better. We'll talk about how to ask questions in English. See you soon. Keep practicing and keep believing in yourself.